TCH comes after vowel and there should not be more than one vowel. P A ch patch, K A ch catch, P I ch pitch, Sw I ch switch, B A ch batch, St I ch stick. In all other words, ch sound follows ch. B A N ch bunch, R I ch reach, T I ch teach, I N ch inch, B I ch beach, L N ch lunch, P Au ch pouch, K Au ch couch, T or ch torch, Cr N ch crunch, P I ch pitch.